5 seconds. My password 1. My password 2. As you can see, it does work. Yo, what's going on, guys? It is Max. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I thought it was an amazing idea just to try this out, just to be a little bit malicious today. Now I'm playing. This video is basically all for educational purposes, but I decided to make some malware today. Now, it is not the most advanced malware. Oh my, dude, I think my last like 5 videos I've had a voice crack. This is like tragic. But you know, you always seen the movies. You've all seen like the crazy little scenes of the anonymous guys and whatever. You've seen what they've done. And I wanted to feel a little bit like them today, so I decided to make some malware in Python. You don't do that, by the way. You never make malware in Python, because every single Python code is going to be just an overlay over some other existing low-level language. I'll show you exactly what I mean right here. Oh my god, look how many imports we have. Some of them I did not use, but that's because it's not even done yet. But we have quite a few things to go over today, and I'll get straight to it. And you know what, just for the sake of all you guys who hate on my AI videos, I will ask AI how to help me out with this. Now, will it do it? We'll find out, because I don't know if AI is going to help me out making something like this, but I'll just get to the easiest part of this. I'll show you how it works. Alright, so as you can see, we have Visual Studio Code open right now, and it's just tracking me, every single thing I do. What if I go to NZXT? There you go. And it tracks everything, and it keeps, like, it's very consistent, and it updates every single second. What if I took this a step further, and I decided to track every single thing a person types, every single website they go into? And I have 2 ways I can go about this. If I can track every single thing a person does, and I track their logins on Google using like a proxy or something, or just track all their keystrokes, that could be pretty malicious. So let's try it out. So I think the first thing we need to do in order to run both these at the same time, we're going to do a little bit of multi-threading, multi-processing. For the case of this, I don't even know if they can run in such an environment. Let's try it out. We have 20 imports right now. That is the stupidest thing ever. I'm going to try running it on a thread first, and we'll see. Dude, this person's dog is barking, and it's making me so mad. Like, bro, if you have a dog and you live in a suburban neighborhood and you want to let him outside to bark all day, don't do it, please. Why did nothing happen, bro? Dude, this is making me very frustrated. Oh, I don't know why it's not. So it is working completely fine, because let's say I sleep the program now for a good like 10 seconds, it'll run. Bro, my card keeps on getting full. It's pissing me off so bad. All right, so I'm thinking we gotta, you know, keylogger. Let's see how malicious we are, guys. And I was working on this in school yesterday, so I have a good idea of what we're gonna need. So what if we track everything that's logged in a dictionary for everything? And if we see anything that's like kind of irregular, we'll just call it a password. We'll find anyone pressing enter. We'll call it a password. So now what we can do is we can set up our new thread. So self.thread is equal to thread. So now I believe we have this all set up. Just call it real quick. All right, well, this is gonna be a complete test. However, I don't want to run the process tracker. So far, there's no errors, fortunately. And now, if I do this, nice. It'll just keep on tracking everything. If I'm typing to my friend over here, okay, so as you can see, it's all fine, I believe. So as you can see, it is now running. But what if we do both? All right. Okay, so the issue with this part of the video is my camera keeps on dying, and I don't know why, so don't ask me. But I'll just commentate the rest of this video from now on. If you are watching this video right now, drop a like, please, because, dude, this took me like 45 minutes to record, and half of it was just me locking in, and my camera died, so it's just a real big pain. But I was really just trying to solve everything in a nice, graceful manner. I mean, it's just kind of a pain to make something like this in Python. I was going through all the lists, and I was trying to compare, and I was trying to just parse out every single password. And the way I was doing this was, I mean, there was just a bunch of characters in a list, and my goal was just to go through and split it by every single enter. And it was annoying because there's no built-in function that does this, so I just made my own, and it took me like a stupid amount of time to realize this. But I'll just commentate as it goes. All right, now when we run this, how long would you like to track for? Give me 100 seconds of tracking. Amazing. Oh, I feel like one thing is missing. One thing's missing for sure. Get potential passwords, and it's just gonna be a list of strings, keystrokes, and self.log.items. Now we're just gonna quickly parse out all the passwords. Key.backspace or enter in this case is what we want. And then we can just return that, I believe. I don't know if that'll work though, because that's kind of, I've never seen anyone do this. No, that's stupid. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Why do you guys even follow me? Okay, well, that was something. From RE import find all. And then we're just gonna do key L dot get potential passwords. And we're just gonna print that out. And then we'll just call it a day. How long should the track for? 10 seconds. Max, enter. This is my password, enter. And we'll just wait it out and see what it says. Oh. List object has. Okay, this one actually works. God, dude, that took so long. How long am I recording for? 40 minutes. You guys better watch. I have no idea if my camera just stopped recording again, bro. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Well, it does work though. 5 seconds. My password 1. My password 2. As you can see, it does work. So now we just ran it, track my passwords, and don't mind all this BS. There we go. Those are all my passwords, guys, that I supposedly typed separated by enters. That was fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. I swear this did not record my face cam. I'm going to be so pissed. But it honestly does not matter because I can probably just commentate this code knowing how much I did. I was just grinding this whole time. But thanks so much for watching. Peace out. Good God. What a day.